My name is Dimma, the apple of my father's eyes. I have lived all my years, from childhood in this room, this roof, this cage, these walls like a slave. Having been deprived of my childhood, I have lived every moment begotten my father's anxiety that I will end up with the wrong man. I need to be free. To make my own decisions, mistakes, fall in love, be loved, and experience the good, the bad, and the ugly. Getting past this means getting past my biggest fear.
I'm
going to fetch water.
Again? Come. Open all the water. I wasn't one and open all the water in fetch yesterday.
No, Papa, I washed my clothes earlier, so I exhausted the whole water. So let me go and refill.
Wait! In that case, wait for me. I'm coming. Let me accompany you.
Papa, that wouldn't be necessary.
Wait!
Oh, Papa! Oh! Ha! Papa, that wouldn't be necessary now.
Is it for you to tell me what is necessary and what is not? Eh? Oh yeah, let's go.
But what are you doing with the machete? What are you doing with machete now? What are you doing with this machete now?
Let's go.
Papa!
Look, this machete, in case we run into wild animal.
Papa, there are no wild animals on the road. You know that there are no wild animals. You just like doing this. Papa, I don't like this now. Papa, I'm not a child.
Those hungry looking men who keep staring at your waist, they are the wild animals. And this weapon is for them.
Papa?
If we come across any of them, make us to your money.
Papa? That is not necessary. It is not necessary.
Let's go! Make us to your money.
Papa, I don't like what you are doing. I don't like it.
They are the wild animals. Hey, this sun is too much, yo. Are you sure the last man that entered hell closed the door? Maybe that's why this sun is too much on us.
Papa, you're funny.
I'm not. Hey,
No, Papa?
I hope this is not very heavy on you.
No, Papa, it's okay.
Eh?
What do you okay?
I don't want to stress you.
Mba, what do you okay?
Hey, make a mass. Adadadi.
Papa?
Come back and let me.
Okay, okay, Papa.
Come pour water.
Adema. Thank you. You're looking so beautiful. Is this water not too heavy? Let me carry it. My neck is very strong.
No, I'm fine.
Are you sure you're very okay?
Yes, sir.
No. You can't just carry this water, only you. You're looking. Oh, Mama.
Hey. What is it?
Naya, I was asking how the road.
Will you shut up your mouth?
Sorry.
Have you two seen a beautiful girl before?
Naya, I was sorry.
Just look at him.
Papa is okay.
He doesn't even have good clothes to wear.
Papa.
And he wants to contaminate my daughter with his poverty.
Papa, it's okay now. It was just...
Happy, I know them.
Papa, it was just an innocent stare.
These are the wild animals I was talking about. He wants to contaminate you with poverty.
Papa, let us go home.
This nonsense. Clothes he doesn't have. With his poverty speaking first. And he wants to contaminate my daughter.
Dima. Fine. I hope that police father of yours is not around. He's not around. Is that why you are searching everywhere? My dear, I have to make sure the coast is clear before I let it out. My friend, this one you came to look for me. Any gist. Dima, you are missing. You don't even know what you are missing out on. You are missing out on the gist happening in this village. Really? How you survive in this house with this father of yours is still a mystery to me. Your father doesn't even allow you go anywhere. Not even to my own house. Will I get you pregnant? My friend. You know when it comes to my father, I am tired. You know. You are tired. No, you are not tired. Dima, listen to me, let me tell you this. Good men don't fall from the tree. You have to go out, socialize for you to meet this man. You can't just sit in your house and expect a man to come and marry you. My friend, you know my father. He thinks that a rich man will just come to our house and marry me like that. That is the craziest thing I have heard in my life. A rich man will just come up from nowhere, come to your house to come and marry you. My dear, you have to open your eyes. Anyway, since you want to continue being a good daughter to your father, not even trying to sneak out of your father's house, remain there. It's not a problem to me. My friend, it's okay. What's the gist? You're a very silly girl. I know there's something you want to tell me. Tell me. Just me. I can't even hold it. Tell me. There's going to be a youth party at the market square tomorrow night. Really? Give me just... But you know the good part of this? What is it? Is that this party is for young bloods like us. No mommy. No daddy. Just the youths. Young bloods like us. My friend, that will be great. And what amazes me most is that men, young, handsome men from other villages will be there. Hey. If my grandmother likes, let her come out from her grave and tell me not to go for that party. Sure. My dear, I must be at that party. I will die there. My friend, please go and enjoy yourself and come back and update me. Because I can't wait to hear the gist. Why are you looking at me like that? Why am I looking at you like that? Are you not going to attend the party? No. My father will kill me. No. My father will kill me. My friend. He will not kill you. Dima, all you need to do is sneak out at night and go for this party. He wouldn't know that you left for the party. What is even wrong with you? Oh, Peter, you know that I cannot be as crazy as you are. I can't do it. Anyway, since you can't do it, continue to lock yourself up in here and be the good daughter that you are. But I am not complaining. I wonder why I brought this gist to you in the first place. Anyway, I need to go to my aunt's place. My friend, are you upset with me? Dima, break out of this cage before it becomes too late.
Demma!
Papa? Papa?
What are you trying to do? You're trying to sneak out of the house?
No, Papa, I was just trying to...
Shut up! Demma, don't make yourself a tool in the hands of the devil. If you are not for Obama, you are for Sama. And let me tell you, no matter how big the Igbo grows, it cannot detach from the parent body because that is what gives it life. Will you get back to the room before I go? Could you imagine? Shh. Demma.
Papa.
Come and clear.
Okay. I hope you like it.
Yes. I'm not eating. Clear the table.
I want to take a cup.
No, leave the water for me.
Okay.
Then you come back. We have to talk on something. Eh?
Okay, I'm coming.
Just come back. Wait.
Papa Adima, you too like money. Papa Adima, I say you too like money.
Sit down. You see, you might think I'm caging you. Any freedom without responsibility breeds anarchy. You see those riffraffs lurking around you. I don't want them to impregnate you because if they do, you become a warawa domando. And if you lose your virginity, you lose your dignity.
Papa.
Listen to me, and if you lose your dignity, you have nothing worth keeping.
Papa, what is it again?
Good. I want you to keep yourself for somebody because an important man will be coming here to ask for your hand in marriage.
Who is that again?
Yes, I wouldn't say I know him very well.
Yeah.
But your uncle who introduced him to me said he has even seen you in this village. Yes, and he's a good man, and he can take very good care of you. Furthermore, you know that neatness is an aggressive marketing strategy. There are some girls you will see the hand of their bra and it will be looking like the seatbelt of Danfo driver.
Papa.
Put their pants in water, boom, tea is made. Hey. Tea is ready. So you have to be neat, in and out.
Okay, Papa.
Am I talking to somebody?
Yes, Papa.
Good.
Can I go back?
Yes, you can now go. Then bring my pami. That day from the usual place.
Okay, Papa. Okay.
Adeja Gamba. Oyirineya.
Papa, leave me alone.
It's not easy. A beautiful daughter. Like mother, like daughter. Hey, Argentina said, hey, on your mind, hey, hey.
Papa, why are you dancing?
Papa, your suitor is here.
Suitor?
Yes, now, your suitor.
He has come so soon.
Why not?
Okay.
Were you not expecting him?
No, I wasn't expecting
him. You know me and Mama expects. Just go in and change. Go in, please, fast. Argentina is safe to go. Hey.
Papa, I don't know why you are dancing like this.
Mr. Ofia.
sir.
I hope it wasn't difficult to locate this place.
No, not at all. Not at all. Your brother gave me the right description of this place. So I rigged my road, my way to this compound.
Oh,
yes.
you're welcome.
Good evening, sir.
Oh my God, what a beauty. Magnificent. Absolutely conspicuous. I like her, she's beautiful.
Thank you, sir.
Mr. Ofia.
Oh, yes.
I would want to know more about you. What do you do for a living?
Oh, that? I handle nursery purpose for now.
How do you mean? Nursery, how do you mean?
You still don't understand it. My occupation involves enlightening and reconstructing the slave minds of this growing generation, tied down by the shackles of ignorance in this modern dispensation.
Well, from all indication, I know your job must be a very influential one regarding the kind of grammar you are releasing on common villagers like us. Yeah. So can you break it down for us?
All I'm trying to say is that I educate the growing generation.
Are you a school teacher?
Exactly. You found a way through my radius. Oh, yes.
So, is it primary? What do you exactly teach? Primary?
Sir, I said nursery that will graduate into primary. We're still saying the same thing. What's your problem with that?
A lot. Everything is wrong with it.
I don't understand.
I mean, how do you intend to take care of my beautiful daughter with your mega nursery school salary?
Oh, sir, don't worry about that. We will manage. I'm used to that. Don't bother yourself.
Eh? Manage.
I'm good at that. We'll manage.
Now, will you get away from my house? Could you imagine?
Excuse me. Wait! I hope you're not trying to render insult on my personality.
Will you leave before I change my mind?
Excuse me. Okay. Calm down. We're flowing right now.
Why did my brother even introduce a pauper like you? To come and marry my only daughter, my jewel? Leave!
No, I won't take this. I will come back.
How did my brother even recommend a pauper like this to come and marry my only daughter, my jewel? Hey.
Dima, just the aroma of your food can fill somebody up just by perceiving it.
You can tease for Africa, my friend. Are you not supposed to be in the market? What are you doing here?
What's the market? Which market? After missing out on your introduction, Biko, come and give me. Tell me, how did it go?
What nonsense introduction?
I don't understand. Were you not the one that told me a man was coming to ask for your hand in marriage?
Is that one introduction? My friend, please don't say anything.
Whatever it is called, tell me, I want to hear it. Is he handsome? I'm sure he's very rich. Did you even say yes?
My friend, I am not interested in him.
Dima, what is wrong with you? Is he not your type?
My friend, he is an ordinary school teacher. Ordinary.
Slap me. Wait, no, wait. You're not serious. This is a joke.
I am not joking. My friend, I am not joking. If you see the old English this man was throwing at us, throwing here.
Hope you dodged it.
I dodged it, my friend. My friend, if you see this English, you will throw your cap. My friend, that was a total mess up. Total turn off.
No. Wait, now this is funny. After all the praises your father accorded him, ordinary. Did you say school teacher?
School teacher.
My
friend, you are talking as if you don't know my father. Is he not my father? You should know him now.
I hope he was satisfied with what he saw.
Hey, my friend, if you see the rain of abuses he was giving to this man, oh my God, he was
I trust your father. He must have been shooting it straight to him.
straight up, my friend.
My friend, if you see this English,
In the cuckoos of the schools.
oh, Bara Jesus, you are joking.
My face!
Check the food. Please, in the one, let me, according to him, in the one scene of the posting, take care of that food, please.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How may I be of help?
Please, I'm new in this area and I needed the direction to Eziamadi's Junction.
Eziamadi Junction.
Yes.
That's very simple. When you come out now,
Yeah.
you take your right.
Okay.
The first left.
First left.
First left, then take straight to that place.
Straight.
Right, left,
Hey! Hey! What is it? Huh?
He's just asking for direction.
Look, don't you know your way around here?
Sorry, sir.
Must you disturb my daughter?
Papa, don't be like that. He's just asking for direction.
Look,
Please take your right. Your right.
Look, Demma, you don't know these people. He was just looking for an opportunity to speak with you. Look, you have to be smart like your father. A guy cannot guy a gayoyo. You have to be a girl of wits, a girl of witticism. Otherwise, they will mess you around. I don't want all these poor fools to be looking around you. We don't need such people in our family.
Okay.
Why must he be my daughter all the time?
Papa,
Yes.
I am going home.
What? Come. Dimma. I'm going home. Dimma. Dimma. Hey, where are you coming from? I've told you not to step out of this house without me. Even if you want to go and buy kuli kuli, let me know.
Papa, there is no water in the house. I had to go to the stream to get the water. Besides, when I left, you were not here.
Hey, the problem is that you don't even listen. Look, don't let me lock you up in this house one of these days. Oh. Stop exposing yourself to these wretched men out there. Eh? Go and drop that water. Somebody is in the parlor waiting to see you. Somebody has been waiting.
Papa, please, I'm not ready to see anybody.
Chineke mere mas.
I'm not ready to see anybody.
Somebody who has been waiting for hours. What are you talking about?
Papa, I am tired. Tell the person I'm not ready to
Dimma!
see. Papa, I'm not ready to see anybody.
Chineke mere mas. Hey! What's wrong with this? God, no.
My Inukute Inra. You are back again.
Yes.
Welcome.
Thank you. My son. I'm very sorry. My daughter cannot see you today.
Why now? Any problem?
Not at all. It's only that she's not feeling fine.
Hey. Since I am sitting down here one hour now, nobody mentioning to me that my Odala Micha is not feeling fine. Let me take her to the chemist. I buy and toto so that they give her medicine so that she'll be fine. I know. I buy and toto nikyo.
Yes, but that won't be necessary. But please, don't be angry. We can fix another date. Eh? Yes.
It's no problem. You are the father of my Odala Micha. I know that she is safe in your own hands, that you take care of her. Okay, my in-law. I'll be leaving now. I want to attend to my business. Imana ego business.
It's okay. It's good to leave. It's good to. But please don't take it to heart. Okay? Yes.
I will not kill myself. The The thing is, and I'm surprised that all of a sudden, Maudala Mecha, this is a call said this thing called Igbam or Koya. I'm worried, but no problem. Since you say that you take care of my, that is okay.
She's in self-hands.
It's okay. Yeah? If I miss one, now it is the money. It's alright. Take your time.
It's alright.
I'll be leaving now.
Yes,
Reason. Take care of my Odala Mita. Bye bye.
It's alright.
Bye bye.
Nothing kills like foolishness. All eyes are open, but not all eyes are seeing. This my daughter's stubbornness. Look at the man talking about business proposal, talking about customers and all that. It's all money, and nothing but money. Maybe this would have been the best man for her.
Really, my friend.
This one, you're here all alone. How did you break free from that bondage? I mean, seeing you here is like seeing a ghost.
My father stepped out to get palm wine, and you know how long he takes whenever he steps out like that.
Oh, okay, sit down. I
am tired. I am tired of this life I am living. My father has caged me for too long. I do not have a life of my own. I need to break free. I am tired.
Gemma, you need to calm down. You just calm down, please.
What do I do? My whole existence is tied in that house. I don't even have friends. You're the only friend that I have. I am tired, my friend.
It's okay. Do you want me to be truthful? The only option you have left is to marry one of those men.
No. I don't like them.
You don't have to like them. Just pick one amongst them.
My friend, I want to fall in love. I want to get married to a loving, charming guy. Someone who will value me, someone who will look me in the eyes and tell me he loves me and I love him too.
But you know that is not even possible. Not when your father is still alive. The only option you have now to break free from that house is what I just said to you. Pick one of these men.
I don't like them.
I said the problem will sort itself. The problem will sort itself out later. The most important thing is that you get out of that shit hole. You might not love your husband at the beginning, but as a woman, you will learn to love your husband with time.
Are you suggesting I let myself out to one of those monkeys?
Call it whatever you want. The most important thing is that you break free. Dima, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Mama, say Mama! Look at that, Mama! What's wrong with you? Look at him right now! Look at him tonight betraying the beacon. So everybody will marry my daughter. What is all this? Look at you, I know you very well. You are taking go here repairing bicycle. And now you want to marry my daughter. What is it, Mama? Get away, idiot! Get one nigga. On the cake. So you let Chamanga. You are here to marry my daughter. What do you believe I do with you? I will kill you now, idiot. Go and marry your mother. What's wrong with you?
Let me take my kids.
Will you get out of here before you take my now? So everybody will marry them. May the devil forgive you. May I act more capable when nego to the epicenter of our hotel. Look at the man. It's all right. My beautiful daughter.
Papa, what is it this time?
So can't I appreciate my pretty daughter anymore? Oh, you didn't there.
Papa, what is it this time?
You know, sometimes you remind me of your mother. She was as fair as you are. Na chaba papa, na cha tototo, na chaba. Pretty woman.
Papa.
Yes.
You know you can be funny sometimes.
Not really, not really. You see, I have good news for you.
Good news?
Yes. You know, I've always told you that one day you bring smiles to my face. And those words are coming to reality.
Papa, I am confused. How do you mean?
Hey, you know I've always protected you from those hooligans, those village champions, because I know that your beauty can attract a very wealthy man who will be capable of spending real money on this family. Yes.
Papa,
yes.
How do you mean?
Okay. Now, get ready to be a rich wife, because a wealthy man is coming to this house to ask for your hands in marriage.
Papa, how is that possible? I haven't met such man in my life before.
Yes.
Not to talk of him desiring me for marriage.
Listen, you're underrating your father. Have you forgotten that you are the daughter of a popular town crier in this village? You have the right corpse, and I can make the right connections. That's the important thing.
Papa.
Yes.
Papa Demma.
Yes.
Hope I'll get to like this one.
No. You have to. Because this one will take very good care of you. Up and Koyao, he take very good care of you. And even me. Okay? Yes. I mean, it's the best option for you.
If you say so. Anything you say is fine.
The best option for you. Sorry, I've just distracted you. Let me go to the royal family. I was sent to come and pick some information for the village.
But can I at least go and see Obidi, my friend?
Don't. I told you that a very responsible man, a very wealthy man, a mover and shaker of the society is coming to shake you into marriage, and you are thinking of no, you're not going anywhere. I'll be back soon. Oh, Omalicha, Oyoyom. I'm coming, eh?
Papa, let me just go and see Obidi.
No, I said no.
Hey! Tom.
My son. You know, I've heard so much about you, honestly. And I do hope you take very good care of my daughter for me.
Papa, I will take good care of her.
Oh, good.
But I need you to trust me.
Oh, good. Hey, I think I like what I'm seeing. Yes, both of you look take away. So I would want us to go right away into the traditional marriage rites.
Really?
Yes.
Papa, I was actually thinking towards that direction.
Yeah.
But I was having this feeling that I'm moving too fast. I was thinking that your daughter will need some time to know me much better before I move to the marriage proper. But
there's no need for that. My daughter here loves you. You can see it in her face. You can see it in her smiles. You can see it in her antics. Okay? So you people can discover yourselves better after marriage. But for now, let's go into the planning of the marriage itself.
All right. In that case, Papa, just tell me what I need to do about the bride price and everything, so that I need to go back to my people, tell them, and we'll take it up from there.
Yes, I think that the list. Give me 1 minute. Will you relax? I have the list here. Drop it. Good. The list is here. You know what? Present it to people, go through it, and then get back to me as soon as possible. That's the way it's done.
I'm surprised. I mean, you are prepared for me already.
Why not? Why? Why not? So I'm expecting you very soon, so that we can commence the traditional rites. Ihempatu as it is called.
Give or take, by the weekend I should be here.
It's all right. It's all right.
Papa, I will be on my way.
And so quick. Please spend some time with your wife today.
Papa, the truth is, I would have loved to do that, but I have some, urgent business thing I need to attend to in the city. Yes, maybe some other time.
Okay, in that case, you are free to go, but please get back to me.
Sure, Papa, I will.
So that we can start in part to Anya,
I understand. Give or take by the weekend, you'll hear from me.
It's all right.
When you're coming back, buy me something.
Come on, I'll get you something, trust me. All right, Papa.
Okay, my dear. It's my pleasure, Yes!
You too like money. Papa, Duma, I say you too like money. Percy when no get
The list I'm talking about. That was a charming young man, It's not all these diagonal your friends are running into. That's the best choice for you. Not at all.
Timma, I'm so happy for you. God has blessed you with a rich man, not just any kind of man. Or should I say God has blessed your father? Because that is exactly what he has always wanted for you.
BD, you make it sound easier to get married to this man. Someone I barely know.
There is nothing difficult in this. Listen to me, Dimma. You're getting married to a rich man who lives in the city. Not just any kind of man. And you know he's going to take care of you, don't you? The greatest of this news is that you get to leave this bondage. You get to leave this cage. You get to have your own freedom in your husband's house. There is nothing that beats this.
You're making sense.
But there is no but. Do not let this opportunity pass you by.
Papa Dima, you too like money. Papa Dima.
So, Papa,
yes, right there.
I'll be expecting your call so that we can finalize the date and everything, just as you have said.
Yes, once I fix the date, I'll get you informed.
No problem.
Yes.
No problem.
But when you get father na boot, won't you find something for us?
Oh, Papa, I don't have enough here. But let me see what I can do. Dimma, that reminds me, I was supposed to get you something.
Yes.
Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot.
Please don't forget next time.
No, it's okay. I'll make it up to you now. Okay. Let's see there. Hey, Papa, so you hold this one. You take one and give them. Alright, take care. Okay. Bye.
Papa, 2,000.
Yes, don't bother. Maybe he has something to do with that money. But once you get married to him, he wouldn't have a choice than to spend his money on his wife and the family.
I pray so.
No, my daughter, you have to be happy that a man like this, a socialite, one of the shakers of the society, has come to marry you. Okay. Yes. Okay. Relax.
All I just want is to be happy.
You will be happy, my daughter. You're happy. He has what he wasn't Muyoga. Muyoga. Yes. Yes, my daughter and my son. If you love somebody, even the girl leg will become straight in your hand. Udachara Otele, we become Okpoko Otele. And even open roof nose, we become pointed nose. Isn't it? Yes. Yes. So may this union bring blissful returns.
Our daughter Dima, may you add to the goodwill of this union.
Yes.
Our son here, Albert, will experience success in whatever he finds his hands doing, as long as he's trying to provide for this new family.
Let me even add to that. Albert, may your bank account confuse EFCs. Yes.
Well, you have fulfilled all the marriage rights.
Yes. Yes. So, Dima is now your wife. She Haria. She Haria. What kind of handshake? Go to. That's your husband. You don't do that. Yes. You are now his. Fully for that matter. Yes, and they just salati. Mbano. Yes.
Papa, yes. I just want to say thank you for everything. You have been of immense help to me.
Oh, that's what it's supposed to be.
God bless you.
And you too. You don't need to bother. Just take good care of yourself and your husband. I made the right choice for you.
After all these years.
Yes, patience is the key in everything we do in life.
Dima, I think we need to start leaving now. It's kind of late.
Hey, oh dear. Hey, I mean, just
this house is so big and beautiful. Hey! Yes, I'm fine. Good morning, my husband.
Good morning. I'm on my way to work. I have a very important meeting.
I thought you said you would travel for our honeymoon for 1 week.
Yes, I said that. But you see, work first. But don't worry, I will make it up to you. And my sister Alexa, she will show you around.
Okay.
All right, take care of yourself.
You're not going to hug me?
My bad. Come. Take care of yourself.
Bye-bye. Now I understand why my father wanted the best for me. Hey, the poor man couldn't imagine me in those tattered village houses. Talk of the devil. I promised to send some money to my father. I should call him as soon as possible. Hey, Papa.
kind of mess is this? Alexa, the dishes.
What happened to the dishes? Dimma, you're already cleaning the whole house and there's nothing wrong to clean those dishes too. I just made my meals. I don't want to ruin them. Look.
Alexa, you prefer protecting your nails than assisting me clean the dishes you used. Come on, I have been cleaning everywhere. I cleaned your room, my room, the passage. Now I'm downstairs. I want to clean this place. At least help me clean the dishes.
Dimma, please, I beg of you. I am not ready for any of your drama this morning. You're the wife in this house. And it's your duty to take care of this house and clean those dishes too. If you're looking for any house help to help you, I'm sorry. I won't be part of that. Thank you for listening. Yes.
Sweet. Alexa, please, did you see my husband?
Yeah, he just left 30 minutes ago.
Hey! The poor man didn't have breakfast. I must have overslept.
Yes, you must have overslept. But I'm sorry to disappoint you. I won't have ever allowed my brother to leave this house without having breakfast. Yes, Dimma. I made breakfast for my brother. When his wife cannot handle minor responsibilities as a wife.
What do you mean?
That is what I mean. That I made breakfast for my brother before he left the house.
Thank you so much, Alexa. Thank you. I really appreciate it.
And please, no need to thank me, Dimma. That's no need. Because I'm not cutting for this your rubbish thank you issue. Please, keep it to yourself. Yeah! Before I forget, my brother dropped some money for you to buy some foodstuffs in the house. If you like, God damn it, if you don't like, it's not my business. It's not your fucking business.
How am I supposed to use 12,000 to buy beverages and food stuff in this empty house? Is it that he doesn't know that there's not a single grain of rice in this house? Just manage the money I sent to you, okay? Yes. Hope you're fine.
How are you?
I'm fine. Papa, I'll call you back. Okay, my husband just came back.
How are you?
Okay.
You good?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm very fine. Yeah, so were you able to get everything you needed from the market?
Yes, I was.
Good.
But I couldn't get your beverages.
Why?
The money wasn't really enough, but I had to squeeze out some to make a pot of soup and a pot of stew.
Nice, but I don't understand. Why won't the money be enough? We had a list.
Yes, I had to squeeze out some money to send to my father. 5,000 actually.
What?
He was really disturbed.
Keep quiet! What do you mean you sent money to your father? Listen, let this be the first and the last time I will give you money for foodstuff and you will use it for charity without my consent. Let this not happen again.
I'm sorry, honey, but I didn't know that sending money...
Keep quiet. Now you know. Before you spend any money, you must be ready to earn it. If you cannot earn it, don't spend it! Rubbish.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Let me get your food. Sweetie, why are you sleeping here?
was actually seeing a movie and I dozed off. Yeah, so what's going on?
Sweetie, I will need some money.
Some money? What for?
Sweetie, look at my hair. I'm not looking good at all. I need to fix my hair. Look good. Since I don't move around like you do, I can look beautiful in the house.
But I'm not complaining.
I need to look good. I'm not looking good at all. Please.
So what you're trying to say is you need money to do your hair, your nails.
Yes.
I see. But you see, Dima, I do not have money for such useless expenses.
Sweetie, can you call my hair useless expenses?
I don't even have the strength to start to banter words with you like you saw me resting. But if you really need the money so urgently, I would advise that you go to your father. The other day you gave him 5,000 naira. Call him, tell him to give you like 2,500 naira. So you fix it up. But for now, just let me rest my head. Thank you.
Don't be deceived by the saying, you will learn to love your spouse as time goes on. Make sure you marry whosoever you wish to spend the rest of your life. Oh yeah, marriage is fun too.
What happened to the money I kept on the dining table?
Oh, last night we discussed that I need to make my hair, my nails, and everything. So I thought the money you kept on the dining was for it, so I made use of it.
What? Dima, you mad? Did I tell you that money was for you?
How do you expect me to...
You're stupid.
Baby, you slapped me.
Slapped? Did I tell you that money was for you?
No!
How many times I warned you never to touch any of my property? How many times? I will teach you a lesson. You never forget. How many times? Jesus! How many times? How many times? How many times?
How can a man be so heartless? Does he not have a heart at all?
OPD, this man has never showed affection towards me. Since we got married, I can swear with my mother's grave that he has never bought me a pin. Nothing. Everything that I acquired is the little change that I get from our feeding money. Albert hates me. He hates me. Can you imagine? I can never spend a dime from his money. The day I spend 5 naira out of his money, he will beat me mercilessly. He will beat me mercilessly like an animal. OPD, it hasn't been 1 year since we got married. The ill treatment is too much. It's too much for me.
Dima, you need to calm down. You need to calm down.
And his twin sister, Alexa, she hates me. She hates my guts. She has vowed to make my soul miserable in this house. She doesn't do anything. Nothing. OPD, I am tired. I am tired, OPD. I'm tired.
I will still advise you to calm down, my friend. There is no way out for now. And even if you want to leave your marriage, it's either too early for you to just come back out, or you will become shameless when you return back to your father's house.
Even my father will not accept me. He will not accept me back. He believes that Albert is the perfect man for me. He doesn't even know how I squeeze out money to send to him.
You see? That's why you need to calm down. Try your best to avoid your husband's trouble. At least, for now. Now you have a bit of freedom. You can step out and look for something to keep you busy and earn money. Don't just leave your marriage, Ma. It wouldn't be a good thing.
Obidi, thank you very much. Thank you for your advice. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Alright, take care.
Thank you. Wow.
The choice I made. The choice I made. The choice I made. I wish I could rewind back before. I say I do.
This is like
the
the
choice
best
I
meal I have eaten from you in recent time.
Are you serious?
I mean, it's so delicious.
Thank you.
Trust me, if you continue like this, I'm not sure we'll have any problem in this house again. And I won't have any reason to go outside to eat.
Thank you.
It's okay.
Sweetie.
Yes.
Please, there's something I would like to discuss with you, if you don't mind.
Anything, go ahead.
It's about your twin sister. I don't mean to be disrespectful or anything, but she doesn't assist me in doing any of the house chores. I do the cleaning, the cooking, and the washing. If I ask her by mistake, she will rain abuses on me, and I don't know what I have done to her.
Are you serious?
Yes.
I mean, what you're just saying is so surprising to me. Because the sister that I know will not do that. I mean, she's not a troublesome person. Are you sure you've not done anything to her?
I have never stepped on her toes, even by mistake. Never.
How would you know? Do you know how many times you have stepped on my toes without even knowing? Please, just leave my sister alone, okay? She will not help you do anything. Just do it yourself.
Even assisting me in cleaning.
I said no. It is your duty and your responsibility to take care of this house and do your cleaning yourself. Let my sister be. Alright?
I've heard.
Okay.
Alexa, good morning.
Good morning.
I'm going to the market and Albert is still sleeping. I don't want to wake him up. So when he wakes up and I'm not yet back, tell him that I've gone to the market. Thank you.
Listen.
Is that woman not back yet?
No, she's not. No. I'm sure she must have jumped somewhere else.
Hey, where are you coming from?
I went. There was traffic on the road. Heavy traffic. But tell me when I'm back.
What kind of useless lie is that? You gotta start talking and you don't have the right to lie to me. Are you sick? Traffic for 3 hours. Where are you coming from?
I was in traffic.
Listen, let it not be what I'm thinking. Something in me is telling me you're cheating on me. If it happens to you seeing another man, then you will know how dangerous I can be. Now get out of my sight! Imagine.
Okay. Since.
Telling me she's in traffic.
Traffic.
What have I done in this life to deserve this kind of wickedness I receive from this man? Albert hates me and hurts me as if I am less than a human being. What sort of pain am I going through like this? I swear, I never knew marriage was this much of a painful experience. If I did, I wouldn't have traded leaving my father's house for any man in this world. I have become a punching bag. I have become Albert's punching bag. Oh God.
Alexa, I'm sorry to bother you, but I want us to have a heart-to-heart talk. Your brother hates my guts. I don't know why he's being wicked to me. He is your brother, and you know him too well. You know him better than I do. You know his likes and dislikes. So please, I want you to advise me. I want you to advise me on how to follow him so that I will not get on his nerves every time. Please, that's why I came to you.
Dima, the way you do things around my brother irritates him so much. Yes, look at you. You're just a mere village girl. And it's obvious you cannot meet up to the modern life expectation. You can't. I wouldn't have ever advised my brother to ever get married to you. But the poor man just went for your mere looks. So whose fault?
Why are you sounding like this? Your brother met me this way.
Exactly my problem. I am not done talking and you're already telling me how he met you and how you did not meet him. Please, Dima, I am not cut out of all this right now. I am so tired. I have something to do. Do whatever you want to do and don't ask for my advice, please.
Don't be deceived by the saying, you will learn to love your spouse as time goes on.
Yes, just send me the address of the reception. Yes, immediately, please. Alexa, sorry, hold on. Yes, please. I'm expecting it. Thank you. All right. Alexa, I was actually coming to meet you. Please, I'm going for a friend's wedding. Actually, my secondary school friend. Can you please tell Albert about it? I don't want him to start looking for me, please.
Noted.
Thank you.
Alexa.
Hey,
How are you?
Fine, welcome.
How's good?
Good. How's it doing, nigga?
Yeah, just very good. How's my wife? Where is she?
She's out.
She's out. To where?
She said she was going for a wedding.
Wedding? Wait. What time did she leave the house?
I think it's about 2 p.m. Yeah, 2 p.m.
And this is 7:35.
Are you serious? She's not yet back.
What?
What's up?
She's not picking. That's not be what I'm thinking of. Could she be with another man? Ah, no. What am I saying? No. Nah. I'll just kill her.
And you're still calling?
Where are you coming from?
Was that why you slapped me? Does that explain why you slapped me?
Slap you again if you don't answer me. Where are you coming from?
I went for a wedding, my friend's wedding.
Stupid. Your friend's wedding and you're coming by this time. Tell me the truth. Stop lying to me. Where are you coming from?
Yeah, where are you
coming from?
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Where are you coming from?
Oh my God.
You think you can lie to me, right?
Why are you doing this?
Where are you coming from? What's the time? Go! What's the time?
Please, now.
What's the time?
Please, I beg you. I went for a wedding.
Stupid wedding. I will strangle you. Keep quiet. Where are you coming from? Don't lie to me. Think before you speak. Think! Where? Where are you coming from? Where? Rubbish. I beg you, I am sorry for yesterday.
Shava, look at my face. Look at my body. I cannot condone this treatment anymore. Look at my face. My whole body hurts.
I know.
What have I done to you? I'm fed up.
No, babe, please. Seriously, I don't know what came over me, but I promise you it will never happen again.
I'm leaving.
No, please. Please don't leave me, please. I'm sorry. I don't know what came over me, but I promise you it will never happen again. Just give me this chance. Give me this benefit of doubt.
Ever since I stepped foot into this house, you're always beating me. You never love me, you don't trust me.
I love you with all my heart, but as I said,
so I can't.
Please, I really love you, okay? Please. I'm sorry, please don't cry. Please.
My face.
Sorry.
I don't deserve this.
I know, I'll make it up to you, please. Please. Please, I'm sorry, please.
Okay.
Please, babe, please.
Stand up.
Please. Thank you, babe.
Stand up.
Sorry. I promise you, I'll make it up to you.
Please don't hit me again, please.
I won't hit you again. I won't. Sorry.
Sweetie.
How are you?
I'm fine. That was work.
That's good. Yeah. Are you okay?
Yes, I am.
Good.
Guess what?
What?
Dad. Hold on. Take.
What's going on?
Check it out.
What? You are 3 months pregnant?
Yes, 3 months.
Yes!
Yes! Yes!
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for this gift, baby. Thank you.
I
I'm so happy. Listen, I'm so happy.
I know.
Yes! This is good news.
Okay. Baby, you just go back. Let me go prepare your food.
I can't wait. I can't wait.
Meet me downstairs.
Really? Yes. Yes!
Yes, Papa. He's here. Okay, I'll give you the phone. Hold on. Baby, my father wants to talk to you.
Hello? Good day, sir. Oh, I'm sorry. I've been missing your calls. It's just that I've been very busy. Yes. No, feel free. Go ahead. Tell me anything. Papa, I am not financially buoyant to do that right now. I don't have the money. Yes. When I have it, you will know. Hold on for her.
Papa, take care. I'll talk to you later.
I don't get it. Why is it that anytime your father calls, he always asks for money?
But sweetie, there is nothing wrong if your father-in-law asks you for money.
But he should know that I have responsibilities.
Maybe if you have the money, you send it to your in-law. There's nothing wrong with it.
And there's nothing wrong in me telling me I don't have. Eh? Or will I give what I don't have?
I insist. My car is just there. The reason I should take it off. Hey! She's my wife. Back off. Hey, excuse me. I'm Jason. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Hey! Like you said, she's your wife. Fine. But that doesn't give you the reason to, rough handle her the way you're doing. Besides, I'm not done talking to her.
You're very stupid. I'm very sure that's the man you've been sleeping with.
I'm not sleeping with anybody.
Yes, and something tells me you are even pregnant for him.
How can you
You're very stupid. Are you mad? Are you... Are you mad?
Do you want to kill yourself? I mean... Oh! It is you! Oh my God! What happened to your face?
I'm fine.
It's all bruised!
I'm fine. I'm fine.
Oh, okay, see, just get in the car so I can take you to the hospital.
Just let me go! Let me go already! Leave me alone!
please, please. I don't mean any harm, okay? Please, just, okay, why don't I just drop you wherever you're going to?
No, just let me go, please. Let me go.
Take it easy, okay?
Let me go! Leave me alone!
At least, okay, hey, okay, just, let me just drop you off, okay? That's the least I could do after a close shave.
Okay. Just go. Please go. Please go. Please. Just go.
So, where's your destination?
I do not have a destination.
What do you mean?
Just take me anywhere. Anywhere at all. Just take me.
Okay. How's your husband? Sorry.
Please, I don't want to talk about anything related to him, please.
Okay. It's okay. It's okay. I won't,
It's okay. It's okay.
So, what do you care for?
I really don't want anything. Thank you.
Oh, come on. You need to eat, okay? Take a look at yourself. You look so exhausted. Have something, please.
Okay, I'll have jollof rice.
Good. Make it two plates of jollof rice,
Thank you. Thank you.
It's okay. I wouldn't want to talk about this though, but since I didn't do this to you, did he?
What do you expect?
Oh, sorry. It's okay. I have not opened the dish yet. I've started perceiving the thank you. You enjoy it. You will enjoy this one. Yes.
I just want to say thank you. I mean, you don't even know me.
Shh. Don't mention, okay? This is the least I could do. I mean, there is a reason we crossed paths twice today. Yes, and I truly appreciate it. Let's save the talk, okay? Yeah, there you go. It's up.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome. So, where do you plan to spend the night?
I'll probably stay in a hotel. Then tomorrow I'll look for a place to stay.
A hotel? Oh, come on. What if I invite you over to my place?
No, I can't.
Don't tell me it was because of what happened earlier today.
No. It's okay. That wasn't the first time. Look, it's fine. I'll sort myself out. You don't have to bother.
You see, I actually live in a one-bedroom apartment. But I don't mind. I can sacrifice it for you.
Jason, I really appreciate the food, the ride, and everything. But you see,
I do not want to discomfort you or any other person, please.
But I never mentioned you're discomforting me. Did I? Okay, see, this is the point I'm trying to make. There will be no need for you to go to the hotel to sleep when you have someone like me trying to help you. Okay? Okay, I understand. You might be scared. You might be scared. I might want to do one or two things to you. See, I cross my heart. I am not going to harm you in any way. Okay? Please, just let me help you. It will be my pleasure.
Look, why are you doing all this? Why are you being nice to me? What do you want from me? Or is it just you?
It's just me trying to help you. Okay? So shall we?
Okay, fine. I'll go with you to your house. But on one condition.
Which is?
Never mind.
The choice I made, the choice I made, the choice I made. I wish I could rewind back before I say I do. The choice I made, the choice I made, the choice I made. I wish I could rewind back before I say I do. I wish someone to help me. The choice I made will destroy me in the nearest future.
Good morning.
Good morning. How was your night?
Fine. I guess I overslept. Hope I didn't snore too much.
You did? What were you expecting? You were totally fagged out, so you had to.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Food. Smells nice.
Yeah, thank you. It's a breakfast. Wholly prepared by my home self.
That's nice.
I got you toothbrush since you didn't come with one.
Toothbrush? Hard or soft?
Soft.
Thank you so much, Jason. Thank you.
It's okay. I just want to let you know that you can stay here as much as you want to stay until you get somewhere else, okay? I don't have a problem with that.
Jason, thank you very much.
Oh, come on, will you just stop saying thank you? Huh? You keep saying thank you like, don't make me feel like an alien, okay? I'm your friend. And besides, friends are obliged to help each other.
Whatever.
I'm just playing by the rules.
Whatever. Thank you for everything. You've been of immense help to me. God bless you.
Okay. I'll be running, okay?
You work?
Yeah. I'm a taxi driver.
That is good.
Not much of a job, you say, right?
As long as you're good at it, it's okay.
Okay. Try and eat up, okay?
Okay, have a nice day.
Thank you very much. I'll catch up with you later.
Everything about me is a mess. Look at me. I have lost Dimma. I have no idea where she is. This house is so empty. It's just me and my wicked heart. Where did my Dimma go?
I need someone
Good evening.
Good evening. How are you?
Fine, how was work?
Oh, great. Great. Yeah. I hope you have something to eat.
No, I'm fine.
How do you mean you're fine? Don't tell me you've been starving yourself since I left work. No.
Honestly, I didn't want to go through your stuff in your absence. So I quickly went to the stall outside and got snacks. I'm fine.
Oh, come on. I opened up my doors to you. You can have anything you want to eat from the kitchen. Okay? Why would you starve yourself?
Thank you. But honestly, I'm fine.
It's all good, if you say so. I figured out you came with just one cloth. So, on my way back from work, I decided to get you this. Yes, so you can change up.
Jason, you got clothes for me?
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
It's okay.
Thank you. I don't even know what to say. Thank you.
It's okay.
Oh my goodness. What have I done right? I barely know you. Why are you doing all this? Why are you helping me?
It doesn't really matter, okay? Since you didn't come with any clothes from your husband's place, I decided to get you this.
God bless you.
Amen.
Thank you.
Amen.
Thank you.
Okay, I'll go freshen up now. After that, we figure out what we're going to have for dinner.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Check them out.
This clothes suits perfectly. How come you know my size?
I have a lot of sisters, you know, so I'm very good with the ladies.
How many of them?
4.
Wow. That means you're blessed amongst women.
Blessed is he amongst women.
Oh, that's nice.
I wish I have a brother, but I can change it now.
Aww. I guess it's too late. Well, you know what? You have a large family, so it's okay.
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, you do. That reminds me. You seem to know quite a lot about me. But I know nothing about you. So tell me.
What exactly do you want to know about me?
Okay. Your background, your educational qualification, girlfriend or fiance. I'm sure you have more than one. Yeah, I'm pretty sure about that. Yes.
You crack me up. What makes you think I have a girlfriend?
Yes. I mean, a nice guy like you. Come on. Girls will be trooping in back and forth in this house. I'm sure about that.
Oh, I see. You can't be too sure. Okay, since you came in, how many girls have you seen come in and out of my house?
None? You see? So, I don't have a girlfriend. Yeah. Because not all girls that are attracted to me have what I need in a girl.
Huh. The guy has a taste.
I do have a taste. I know what I want. And talking about myself, you already know some things about me. I told you I have 4 sisters. And my dad, he passed on 5 years ago.
My sympathies, I'm so sorry.
It's okay. It's past. And as for my mom, she's still alive and strong.
Strong mama. That's nice. That's really nice. I forgot to say, you cook well. Oh my god. I love this food. Like, this is good. This is really good. Kudos. Nice one.
Yeah, my sisters taught me well.
They raised the soldier.
You can say that again. They practically taught me how to mix the ingredients.
Nice one. Okay, so let's just enjoy the meal, okay?
Okay.
Nice. This was really good, I swear. This is so good.
Bro, what are you doing to yourself? Stop. No, bro, stop this. What are you doing to yourself? What has come over you?
You want me to stop?
Yes, I want you to stop.
Why?
Because I care about you.
Listen, I want my wife. I want my wife back. It's been like more than a week now since she left and I've not seen her. So what am I leaving for?
Abbas, please, you need to stop. You need to hold yourself. If she cares about you, she should be here and not you drinking yourself with this.
Just bring her back to me.
Abbas, you need to calm down, please.
Calm down. Calm down. Calm down as in how? How do you want me to calm down? I am telling you that right now that for like a week I've not seen my wife. You're telling me to calm down. If it's you, will you calm down? Huh? How?
Abbas, if your wife cares about you, she should be here. You don't know if she's with another person, another man or something else.
That's it. That's it. You see the problem I'm having? My life is ruined. You know, sometimes people do not understand that I have feelings. And I expect that the only person, the only reasonable person to know how I feel is you, and that's because you're my sister. Yes, I might have anger issue, but I need my wife. You that is telling me to calm down. How many times have you put your mouth in our relationship? How many times have you advised me that I should take care of my wife and make sure everything goes smoothly? How many times? But the only thing that comes out from your mouth is negativity. Now see! When I'm drinking and you're telling me to calm down.
Abbas,
please leave me alone.
Abbas, you need to stop. Wait, you don't know she's... Abbas, don't do
this. Hey, just...
Come on, bro.
Get out.
You need to stop.
Get out.
Just calm down.
Get out. Don't calm down. Get out.
Abbas,
I said get out! Leave me alone. Leave me alone! Get out. Let me kill myself! Go and bring my wife. If you don't have anything to say, get out!
Good morning.
Good morning.
You made this?
Yes, I did. I mean, you've been the one making food here, and I decided to make something for you. It might not be as good as what you do, but I hope you manage it.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Hold on a second. Whoa. It looks better than mine. I hope it's going to taste better than mine too.
Ah, well, you've been the one cooking, and I thought to myself, why don't I cook for you this time? I'm not sure it will be better than yours, but I can try.
Please excuse me.
Okay. All right.
It's better to be late than end up with the wrong, but now it's too late to cry. It's too late to cry.
Hello, Mom.
My son, how are you doing?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
You were supposed to come down to the States 2 days ago. What happened?
Oh, yeah. Mom, something came up. Yeah. But I've called the ticketing agent. Yes. I asked him to shift my ticket until I'm ready to travel. So there's no problem with that, Mom.
Son, is it the company? Hope everything is fine.
Oh, everything is fine. Everything is fine with the company. Everything's running well. Trust me on that.
I forgot to tell you. Christine, your sister, has successfully secured another branch of her SME in Dubai.
Ooh.
And she's going to be dealing on jewelries and accessories.
Ah, that's nice. I knew it. I knew she was going to get to that level. Yeah, she's a smart girl. We'll find time to call her to congratulate her, yeah. That's cool. Mom, before you called, I was actually at the middle of something, okay? So I beg to leave now. I'll give you a call some other time, okay?
It's okay, my son. I understand. But Jason, I must tell you, you're not getting any younger. You have the money and you're a good man. Find a good lady to marry. Do that for me.
Mom, you said this 1,000,000 times, okay? Ah?
I want you to do it as soon as possible. I am tired of waiting for
It's
my
okay.
grandchild.
I'll see to that. That makes you happy now?
Alright, bye my son.
Alright, Mom. I gotta go. Thank you very much, okay? I'll call you later. Bye.
Oh, sorry. I had to pick that call. So back to the food.
Yes, the food.
Maybe you should just keep it covered, okay?
Okay.
So I'll go freshen up.
Okay.
I can't wait to get back and start taking on it.
I know, right? Okay, you just go have your bath then.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
Okay.
Hey, wakey wakey!
Welcome.
Thank you. I mean, this is so unusual. You sleeping at this early hour of the evening? Did you step out?
Yes, I did.
I see.
I went to the hospital.
Hospital?
Yes.
Are you okay?
I had a miscarriage.
Miscarriage? Oh. You were pregnant?
As a matter of fact, I was 3 months pregnant.
Oh my.
So I guess the whole drama with my husband made me lose my baby.
Your husband, was he aware?
Yes.
Yet he treated you that bad?
That's how he is.
That man is a wild animal.
You know, the little time I've been here, I found peace. My husband, he treats me like rag. He baits me at every slightest provocation. He just beats me for no just reason. No just reason. He beats.
Wait a minute. What about his sister you mentioned? Does she live with you people in the house?
That one just hates my guts. She hates the essence of my existence.
But why? Why do they treat in such manner?
That's because I don't have anybody. That is because I don't know anyone around. So what do? I just condone their humiliation and maltreatment I receive. Because I don't have anybody. Nobody to fight for me.
What kind of family is that?
I don't know. I don't want to go back. I don't want to go back. My husband will kill me. He will kill me.
Well, if you say so, I'll take side with you. Okay? It is better you regain your freedom and happiness. But he killing you is quite impossible. After all, he's human. He can kill you.
Jason, I am so scared. I don't want to go.
You don't have to. I'm here to help.
Jason, thank you. Thank you for being more than just a friend. Thank you.
It's okay. I'm willing to do more. Just to make you happy and feel okay.
Thank you.
Please, wipe those tears, okay?
Thank you.
You will just be fine.
Thank you.
Come on, you should have told me, okay? Why didn't you tell me you were pregnant? You should have been sleeping here. I would have made my room available for you to sleep on my bed. Okay, see, you've stressed yourself too much, okay? I mean, you've passed through a lot of stress. From this night, you're no longer sleeping here. You will be sleeping right in my room, on the comfort of my bed. Okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. From this night onwards, you'll be sleeping in my room, on the comfort of my bed, and I will be sleeping here. Okay?
Thank you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Please take it easy, you'll be fine. Let me have a shower.
Okay.
That's why you're here this afternoon. I hope there's no problem.
There's no problem. Things I've been looking for you everywhere in the village. Since what happened? I've not seen you.
I hope there's no problem. I hope everything is fine.
It's fine, no, but I just want to know if it's true. What I heard about the man and her husband. Is it true?
My sister, it is very true. That young man has turned my friend into a punching bag. He has made a complete mess of Dima's life. I don't know. I don't know. It's such a pity.
Hi. Thank God for my life. Thank God, though, Obidi. That is why I'm keeping myself in this village. All this, he has money. Even if he has money or not. What I want is love and happiness in my home. Ha! Please,
that is the best thing any woman could ask for.
Yes,
love and happiness. You know, my pain is that I was even one of the people who encouraged her to get married. It breaks my heart. Sometimes I just sit and wonder what she goes through every day in her house. I blame myself. Anyway, what time are you going to the market tomorrow?
Food. Why is your face like that?
Actually, I didn't want you to wake up feeling hungry. But now, you ruined my plans.
How?
I wanted to serve you breakfast in bed.
Look, it doesn't matter. The most important thing is it still gets to my stomach, and I appreciate it.
You're right. Yeah, it's the thing. It's just that I feel who spoiled the fun in it. You know, because I took out time to prepare this specially for you. You know, I made sure I made the time in. You know, adding the sauce and preparing and garnishing it, because I wanted to give it to a special person. Why the mood swing?
My husband, my marriage, these are the kind of things that would...
Oh, come on. See, just calm down. You can't continue crying every day and night over this. Like I told you before. Just ponder over it, okay? I mean, come to a resolve, come to a conclusion. Whatever you decide, please meet with your husband and iron out issues with him. I'll stand by you. Okay? You have to stop crying, please.
Thank you. Thank you and thank you and thank you over and over again. God bless you.
You're welcome. Thank you very much. So please, you're not crying this time, okay? No tears.
Okay.
Please, no tears. So why don't you settle down and enjoy your meal, okay? I'll go inside and freshen up.
Papa Adima, you too like money. Papa Adima, I say you too like money. Person wey no get today, go get tomorrow. Person wey get today, we crash tomorrow. Yeah, you too like money. Remember say when you marry your own wife, you no get money. You no get money.
Double big. What is this? Eh? My daughter's number is not connecting, and the husband's own it that is true. He's not picking. What kind of trouble is this? Eh? Is everything all right? For how many days now? Ha. Oh, my blue train. What's the problem? I've been calling for 2 weeks now. You have not been picking. And my daughter's number has not been connecting. What's the problem? Is there any problem? Eh? Because tell me, what is it? Is there any problem? Hey! What kind of thing is this, Beacon? Eh? Mbamba, then I have to go to the city. There are no two ways about it. I have to go. And a Joe Salati. I have to go. A violent man is a weak man. Just like a violent religion is a weak religion. How could you? This is domestic violence.
Papa, please, I am sorry. I beg you in the name of God. I can't explain what happened. I don't know what came over me. But Papa, please, I have reported the matter to the police. Please, Papa, I am sorry.
Do whatever you have to do to find her. For decades now, I married her mother. I never laid my hands on her. How could you?
Papa, please. Like I said, I have reported the matter to the police, but I will go there tomorrow. I'm sure they will have a useful information for me. Please forgive me.
You better do. Though I'm sure my daughter is not missing. She's too intelligent for that.
Please, we will try as much as possible to find her.
I mean, this is the height of stupidity. Eh? This is jiggery-pokery.
Jason, I finally made up my mind to go and talk to my husband. I need to look him in the face and say some words to him, heart-to-heart talk. But there is a problem.
What is it?
I'm scared. I'm scared of what he might do to me. I want to ask for a favor. Please. Can you come with me? Please.
Dima, if I were to advise you, first thing first, you have to be courageous. Okay? Be fearless. You have no reason to be scared. Meet with your husband. Look at him, eyeball to eyeball, and speak to him. Talk to him. You see, there is a way a woman will talk to the husband will be shocked. He can't even raise his hand, let alone hit the woman. So I would advise you to iron out this matter with him. It's not about, see, if I go there with you, I tell you, if I go there with you, what I've seen with my eyes, I don't mind. You see, with my cab money, I will sue him to court. See, it won't take much. Just seven drops and 2 higher. I'm telling you, 26 days, because I don't work on the Sundays. I will gather the money and I will take him to court.
It's okay, you just cracked me up. It's okay.
So, what I'm saying, Makachuku, if I step there with you, the first thing I'm going to do is to call my lawyer. You're a strong woman. All you have to do is just take away the fear. That fear in you that is stopping you from walking to your husband, that is stopping you to deliberate, to talk to him the way you're supposed to. You are his wife, whether he likes it or not. You have to understand this. Okay?
Okay.
Meet him. Talk to him. Be fearless. Good.
Thank you very much. And thank you for the comic. You just eased off everything. God bless you. And thank you for being more than a friend. I will never forget you in this life.
What are friends for?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'll do as you've said. Thank you.
Well, from all the information we gathered from the police, I want to believe that...
Papa, what are you doing here? You are the cause of my problems. You caged me right from childhood. Now look at my life. You pushed me into getting married to this man. You are the cause of my problem. What are you doing here?
Please, I am sorry. For everything that I've done, I am sorry, please. Forgive me. I promise you I haven't changed my mind, please. Just find peace in your heart to forgive me. I promise you. No quarrel again, no fight, no anything. Everything will be peaceful, please. Just give me a chance. Please.
My daughter.
Please.
Please, God. My daughter, as humans, we are all fallible. There are bound to be mistakes in the line of relationship. This is why pencils have erasers. I wanted the best for you, but I was going about it the wrong way, which almost ruined your marriage. But I've realized my fault now. Divorce is not an option because it is a fatal blow to both parties. Every man is a husband material if the wife is a good fellow. Stay in your marriage, work for your marriage, and make it work. Every successful marriage is the union of two good forgivers. Maka onye chọwacha mkpọmkpọ na mkpọmkpọ, ọhụ ya yọnyọ na yọnyọ. Good luck and happy married life once more.
The choice I made, the choice I made. I wish I could rewind back before. I say I do. The choice I made, the choice I made, the choice I made. I wish I could rewind back before. I say I do. I wish someone to help me. The choice I made will destroy me in the nearest future. Ooh, I need your help, oh Lord.
I knew it! You know, I was looking at you like something about you changed totally.
Really?
Yes! Uh-huh! So, come over. You want to tell me something?
Yes, I want to.
Go ahead. I'm all ears.
I just want to say thank you. Thank you for everything. I spoke to my husband like you advised, and he changed. He realized his mistakes and apologized. And guess what? I forgave him.
Wow!
Yes!
Really?
Yes!
I said it! I told you!
Yes.
I said, walk up to this man.
You did.
Be fearless.
You did.
And talk to him.
I'm so happy for you. You know, when you came in, I was just asking those questions. I was just pulling your legs. You look so good.
Thank you.
Wow. Come over here. Oh, hold on a second. You're a bad person.
What did I do?
So all those while everything changed for the better, and you just forgot all about me.
No, I'm so sorry. Let me tell you the good part of it. Come here, give me your hands. My husband actually ordered me to come here and talk to you.
It's a lie.
Yes, he said I should come tell you thank you for everything.
He did?
Yes.
The jealous man did? Hold on a second. Sorry if I use this language, but the arrogant man did.
Don't do that. He's changed.
I'm just kidding. You know that.
Yes.
I'm so happy for you.
Thank you.
My friend.
Hmm?
Thank God. Now you are going to settle down and enjoy your marriage in peace.
Exactly.
Come over here.
Thank you.
Thank God. Come on. Anytime you tell me thank you, like it makes me feel like a demigod. I'm not. See,
but I have to thank you.
It's something I could have done for anyone. That is the fact.
Oh,
I'm happy for you.
I'm happy too. So you were going somewhere?
Of course, I was about driving out when you came in. Yes. I think I should open up to you.
Okay.
Yes. You see, there is something I didn't tell you about myself.
Okay, tell me.
Actually, I'm not just a petty taxi driver. Yes. I am the CEO of Taxi Tech, the biggest transportation company in the whole of West Africa.
Oh, please, say something else. Say something else.
Okay, I'll say something else. My name is Jason Buchi Onwuka. You can Google it.
Jason Onwuka. Taxi Tech.
Of course.
Oh my goodness! Do you know I can actually Google it.
Go ahead if you want to.
I can book online. Why didn't you tell me all this quiet?
I'm sorry. Come on, this is just me, okay? The fact is, I am not the kind of businessman that likes sitting in the office and dishing orders to my workers, to my staff. You know, I drive around town with my taxi because I am so passionate about driving. That is where I find my happiness from.
No, wait. And you're this humble?
You're the one saying it.
I can't believe this.
I don't even know if I'm humble.
Do you know you are a wonderful person? You are wonderful. And look, may God bless you.
Thank you very much.
May whatever you're looking for come to pass.
Amen. Amen.
I pray for you today. You shall find unlimited blessings.
Okay. You're not supposed to pray for just me. You're going to pray for two people because there's something else I didn't tell you.
Okay. Tell me.
As a matter of fact, I have my fiancé living in the States. And in no time, I'm going to get married. Where are two people?
Jason, you are full of surprises. No wonder you were like that.
My eyes are closed. My eyes are closed.
Well, okay. May God bless you.
Amen.
I pray for you and your wife.
Amen.
You guys shall be a blessing to your generation.
Amen.
Another thing. Wait, hold on. Remember the day you asked me to come to your house?
Yes.
It was because I was scared of probably you would touch me. Remember? But
I didn't.
You are a wonderful person.
Thank you very much.
Come here. Oh my God.
You're such a nice person.
I know.
I wish I could rewind back before I say I do. The choice I made. The choice I made. The choice I made. I wish I could rewind back before I say I do. I wish someone to help me. choice I made will destroy me in the nearest future. Ooh, I need your help, oh Lord. I need someone to rescue me. I need someone to rescue me from this hell I call marriage. I need someone to rescue me from this hell, Lord. Ooh, I need someone to rescue me from